Yeah, man, keep going.
I think it just shot.
Yeah, all the way up. Whoa! Yeah, man. Easy, keep pedaling. Take a U. Good hand on the brakes, okay? Both the brakes. Yep, keep coming. Stand here. Right here. So what's your good name, buddy?
My name is Baldur.
Okay, so which country you're from?
US.
US. Was it the first time you were test riding an electric bicycle before?
No, this is the first time.
First time, okay. So how was it?
It's actually really cool. It just like boosts you all the way up the hill.
Isn't that a very straight uphill?
Yeah, it's actually steeper than you think.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And how was the torque? How was the speed?
It's really good.
Uh-huh.
I barely have to do any work. It just like it brought me all the way up.
Right. So do you think that these bikes can really do wonders on really good uphills?
Yeah, I bet I can.
All right. Thank you so much. And you would find these videos on the Know Your Bicycle YouTube channel. My name is Akash. Thank you so much.